Is getting ChatGPT Plus for free something you've been searching for? If you're tired of the paywall and want full access without spending a dime, stick around. I'll show you a simple workaround step by step that works right now. This method uses a temporary email to create a fresh account, unlocking Plus features without any payment. I've tested it myself, and it's straightforward for beginners, no tech skills needed. First things first, open a new tab in your browser and search for a temporary email service like the one I'll link in the description, something reliable that ends with .me domains. Once you're on the site, click the Create New Email button, select an email ending in .me, and hit Generate New Email. This will redirect you to a temporary mailbox. Copy that new email address to your clipboard. Quick tip, make sure you don't close this tab as you'll need it soon. Most people skip this and wonder why verification fails. Don't be that person. Before we jump to the next step, here's a common mistake. Using your real email won't trigger the free Plus access, so stick to temp ones. Now open another new tab and search for ChatGPT. Make sure you click on the official OpenAI site to avoid fakes. Once there, hit the Sign Up button. Paste in that temporary email you just copied, then click Continue. Create a strong password, something easy to remember for now. Fill in any other required info like your name or birthday until you reach the OTP verification step. If it asks for a phone number, you can skip or use a virtual one, but email OTP is key here. This next part is where things get exciting, but double-check your inputs to avoid errors like invalid email formats. Head back to your temporary email tab, refresh if needed, and you should see the OTP code from OpenAI in your inbox. Copy that code, switch back to the ChatGPT sign-up page and paste it in. Hit verify and boom, that's it. Your new account should open right up with ChatGPT Plus features enabled for free, like advanced models and priority access. If everything went smoothly, you'll see the Plus badge in the interface. Congrats, you're in. Just to confirm, you've now got ChatGPT Plus for free using this temp email trick. If it doesn't work on the first try, clear your browser cache and start over. Sometimes cookies cause issues. For more fixes like this, check my other videos on AI tools. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.